Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I am sharing my first day in participating. I think it's an open collab. I saw this on Just Donna Maria's channel, and I will link her channel below. I saw a video where she had started to do using a planner in home cleaning zones. So I was interested in that. And from there, I found on YouTube another person named Diane. I believe it's Diane in Denmark. And from there, I found the Flylady system. So this is what I'm using, and I'll link all three ladies' channels in my description box so you can check that out. But it's using different areas of your home, or zones is what the Flylady calls it, to start decluttering, cleaning, and not being overwhelmed. I work out of the house, and once in a while I have a weekday off, so that's kind of nice, but it's like you're trying to get everything done in one day, and then it just still, you have that home clean for one day, and then things just start to pile up again. So I started a little bit of this a couple of weeks ago, and I like it. And again, I will go ahead and I'll show you at least what I'm doing so far. So there's different zones, and the Flylady has that on her website. I ordered some cleaning products from her, even though I have quite a few, but I thought, I wanted to go ahead and give that a try. But she has different zones, and they're broken up into 5 sections. I changed a little bit the zones that she has to tailor to my home, and there are what's called baby steps, the 31 baby steps. So I might do a video on that later. And as well as do maybe a playlist section, so that if that's what you're interested in, as far as the videos that I do, you can go ahead and look at that playlist. I just have to figure out how to make it public, because I have playlists, but it seems like they're all private. But this one, I don't know, maybe I have to do it off the dashboard. So for zone 3, what I'm doing for my home is 2 bathrooms, the den, and I call this a fit room. So our home is, we have 3 full bathrooms. So it's the master bath and then 2 bathrooms. So those 2 bathrooms I'm putting here on this list in my zone 3. The den, my husband usually is in there. We have, TV room. So I put that there. And we also have a living room, but that's in my other zone. And then this fit room is an extra bedroom. We hardly ever have anyone come visit, so we turn that into where we have our fitness equipment, which we hardly ever use, but it's there. And hopefully, maybe with the new year, I'll get back into that. But so that's what I did. So I just took this notepad and started to write down based on what the Flylady had on her website. So PUPA stands for pick up and put away. And I can't tell you how helpful this has been, because, normally I'll take something and then, or we take something, we leave it out, and rather, once you're done with it, go ahead and put it away. And that has been very helpful. Or even, if you take out the laundry, go ahead and fold it. That's one of the things that the Flylady says is part of your laundry checklist is also folding it and putting it away. So for my bathrooms, so I have pick up and put away, dust corners, the baseboards, the mirrors, the tubs, the toilets. And these are deep cleaning rather than what she calls a swish and swipe, which you do daily, so that when you get to the deep cleaning, there's not too much to do. And what the Flylady says is to do these in chunks of 15 minutes. So your zone 3 is a whole week's worth. And if you can't get to it, don't fret. Just wait till the zone 3 comes back for the next month. So I also have countertop and sink, the drawers, and in one of my bathrooms I have a shelving unit for towels and knickknacks, so that's why I have that there. Then my under sink cabinets, medicine cabinets. I have 2 medicine cabinets, one in each bathroom. Then disinfecting the light switches, dusting down the doors, vacuuming, and then mopping. And I like to use a steam mop, but I think with the package that I ordered from the Flylady, there is going to be a mop, so I can maybe use that on maybe my daily basis or every other day. You know, we'll see what it looks like once I get it. And then for the den, also pick up, put away. I forgot the A. Then dust the corners, the baseboards. Although the baseboards look nice, they are a dust collector, it seems, as well as you can't put your furniture right up against the wall. So then dusting, then windowsill. So that means, you know, go ahead and dusting that windowsill that we have in there, dusting the pictures and the glass on the pictures. We have blinds in this particular room, so it's dusting the blinds, cleaning the window, cleaning the couch, clean under the couch, vacuum, mop, and again, the light switches. And then in the fitness room, pick up and put away, dust the corners, the baseboards. We have a little bit of furniture in there, plus the equipment. And then we do have a window, so dusting off that windowsill or cleaning out that windowsill, cleaning the window, doing a detailed vacuum, and the light switches. So in these 3 rooms, the 2 bathrooms and the den, we have, well, in the bathrooms we have tile, and in the den we have laminate flooring, the Pergo. So in the fitness room, or in that extra bedroom, we have carpet. So that's why I have, did I put vacuuming? Yeah, detailed vacuum in there. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I did download her app. So I'm using my phone, so I can't show you, but I think she has an app for both Android and Apple or Mac or whatever they call it. And so I did download her app. She has a timer in there. You can, it's preset at 15 minutes because most of these things you want to do in 15-minute time blocks. And so what she says, so let's say, for example, I am maybe doing the blinds or something in this room, whatever it is, get whatever you can get done in that one day in 15 minutes. Once that timer goes off, stop, walk away, go ahead and do something else. And then the next day, whatever's left, again, put your timer for 15 minutes, get done what you can, and then again, walk away. So you might, so maybe I might do dust corners all in one 15-minute block, and maybe the baseboards as well. So, you know, I don't know how long it takes. You know, now with the timer, I can see how long that takes, and maybe some things may take a little bit less, and maybe I might need for the under the sink or in the cleaning out the drawers more time. So that's the beauty of it. And again, it's not to do all the cleaning all in one day. And if you don't get everything in your zone done in that week, which she has Saturdays and Sundays or whatever your, so let's say you work and maybe your weekend, so to speak, is Tuesday, Wednesday, you know, whatever your days off, take those and relax, do other things rather than just cleaning. She does have things, routines that you do on a daily basis, and I will get to that again in another video. But just wanted to go ahead and show you what I'm going to be doing for my zone. So my zone is going to start on a Monday and end on a Friday. And then I just wanted to show you, again, the channels that I was mentioning. And again, I will link them in the description box. But it's just Donna Maria, and then Flylady, and again, she has her website, and Diane in Denmark. So very lovely ladies. I hope you check them out. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and start this. And as I get into my other zones and maybe the 31 baby steps, I'll go ahead and I'll show you, or I'll go ahead and I'll put a playlist. And one of the main things that she started, the Flylady, is shining your sink, meaning do a deep clean, and then from there on, just make sure that when you're done with your kitchen, everything is washed, your kitchen sink is nice and shine, so that when you get up in the morning, you don't see a whole bunch of dirty dishes in the sink that might, you know, bring you down, and some other things in the baby steps, which again, I'll show in a later video as I go through. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.